Hi there, Linda Artesani Accounting. So this week I just kind of dove in a bit to talk a little bit about data migration. So perhaps you found me through search in Google and found out that we do data migration at our firm. One of the good things about doing data migration, if you're considering switching, there's so many great reasons, and I give you the top three right in the blog post. But primarily, if you're in a system, a lot of people are in a system like PC Law that's kind of holding you hostage with with the fact that they're making you re-up and they don't really add a lot of features, and maybe the system crashes on you. Or maybe you're in a Juris program, which is really antiquated. It looks exactly like what I used back in 1999 with OneWrite Plus. Or maybe you're in a system that's just not working. Maybe you're in a Sage 50 and it's just like, why am I in Sage 50? This is an old builder's program. So there's plenty of reasons why, if you're doing this work and you're working with law firms and attorneys and you're like, this isn't working. And maybe the staff likes it. Maybe you're in bill for time and you think this is okay, but it's not giving me the reports I need. So there's multiple reasons why you'd want to switch. Now, it's scary to switch. Let's face it, it's very scary to switch. You really should hire a professional firm that's done this multiple times. And this is where our firm comes in, because we have done data migration. We may do a complete rebuild. We may do a rebuild where we start fresh in 2021, and then we go back and back build all of your trust accounting so that it's all there. Anything open is there. We'll back build all the accounts receivable. We'll connect you with amazing, amazing software. If you look at last week's blog post, you'll see that I did one on my workflow, and I basically flat out showed you all the pieces that work in my workflow. That will help you to understand the automation part of it. And you'll be amazed. If you're coming from PC Law, you're going to be sitting there going, wow, I don't have to click 11 times to create a report. I don't have to make all these processes happen where I can just, it happens for me and it's automated. Or maybe you're not even connecting the dots with adding maybe some transactions, adding, if you have any bills that come in or advanced client costs come in, you can attach them to transactions so you can see that you did a filing fee or a direct cost to a client, and you can see the data behind it. If you're a PI attorney, pretty important to have those receipts, right? For some of them, depending on where you're working, what state you're in, you'll find that having those pieces of information at your fingertips is really crucial, especially when it comes time for the matter to come up. Obviously, you'll have copies of everything, but having it attached to the documents inside of QuickBooks when you run the reports is all there for you. So that is why you want to do the data migration and why you want to move forward in the future. Get to the cloud-based software, get to software where you're not having to take care of a server. You're able to log in from any device. That's the beauty behind this cloud-based system and why everybody's moving towards it today. Hopefully that answers some of your questions. If you are interested in learning more about data migration and finding out what our firm does for you, give us a call. We're more than happy to help. If you're a bookkeeper or an accountant and you're sitting there with a client that needs to migrate and you have no clue how to do it, give us a call. We'll help. Have a great day, and I hope that was helpful. Bye now.